so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello! How are you today? Yeah! Whoa! Look at where we are. Today, we're at Fidgets Indoor Play Place in Las Vegas, Nevada. Woo! All right, let's skip around and see what's here. Whoa! Look, it's a train. Whoa! Whoa! All right, I'm gonna continue to skip. Ooh, look at this. Wow, this is a train station. See? There's so many trains here. Like this red train. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Oh, hello, pink train. See? It's a pink train. Wow. Hello. Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Wow! Ooh, and look, it's a black train. Choo 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 choo. Whoa! I love trains. Wow! Vroom, 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 vroom. All right, let's see what else there is around here. Ooh! Look at this. It's a colorful ball pit. Whoa! 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 Wow! So many colorful balls! Whoa! Whoa! What's this in here? Oh, wow! This is a green lawnmower. I think we should mow the lawn. Let's see what else there is in here. Whoa! 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 What is this? Wow! It's a red motorcycle! I bet there's something else in here for us. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh, watch out! Oh, I almost got you. Whoa! Oh, look! It's an excavator! Yeah, like the Blippi excavator song.
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later.
All right, now let's crawl to this side of the room. Whoa! Look at this! This looks like the base of a boat. And this is water, see? Ooh! Whoa! That is one cool boat. Okay, let's continue to crawl. Ooh! Whoa! Look at this! Wow, we have a fire truck. Whoa! And a school bus. Okay, let's take the fire truck and let's let her rip. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Whoa! That was awesome! All right, let's do it again, but this time with the school bus. Ready? Here we go! Whoa! Yeah, good job. Whoa, look at that back there. Wow, this looks like a princess and the king's castle. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Hello! Look! I'm a unicorn. And look at what else I found in here. Whoa! It's a stroller with a baby in it. This is a baby. Hi, baby. Hello. Okay, sleep tight, baby. Shh. Ooh, sleep tight. Ooh, sleep tight. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, now let's go run around some more. So colorful. This step is the color blue. This step is the color orange. This step is the color red. Ooh. And this step is the color green. Come up here. Whoa. Look at this red punching bag. Ooh, here's another one over here. Whoa. Wow. See? Here's another one. This punching bag is orange. Wow. We are on the second floor of this structure. Whoa. Hey, and there's a tunnel. Go over there. Hello. Whoa, look at this tunnel. Whoa, I see you over there. Okay, I'll come over there. Here we go. I'm crawling through the tunnel. That was really cool. Oh, look over here. Wow, see this? This is a yellow slide. Ooh, and it's the shape of a circle. Oh, I should go down it, slide down it. And then when I'm down there, you can come down after me. Ready? All right, bye-bye. Whoa! Whoa! Good job going down the slide! Okay, that was so much fun sliding down the slide. Now, I think we should roll. Whoa! Whoa! I love rolling. Oh, hey, what's this? Whoa. Hello? Okay, how are you? Now I'm inside this house. Reddit. Oh, hey, frog. Hello. Ooh, what else is here? Ooh, bye-bye, frog.
Hello, I'm a sheep. Ba, 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 ba. Ba. Hello.
Okay, let's go over here. Whoa, look at this contraption. Whoa. I'm balancing. Okay. Whoa. Oh, That was awesome! Now let's roll some more. Whoa, look at this yellow car. Here it comes. Oh, yeah! Here's another one. This one is the color purple. Get ready, here we go. Yeah! Okay. Oh, hey, look at this. This is a pink carriage with a horse on it. Bye-bye! Yeah. Ooh, and a red car with a yellow top. Whoa, watch out! Ooh. And a black police car. Here we go. Ooh. And one more. A red fire truck. Here we go. Bye-bye, fire truck. Whoa! Woo! Here we go. Let's go over here. Look at all of these colorful blocks. There's so many colors. Okay, I think we should lay them down to see what's behind them. Whoa. Yeah, do you see this? This right here, this is a blackboard. And you can write on it. So let's go over what we did today. First thing is we skipped. S-K-I-P. Yeah, skip. Then we crawled. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl. And then we ran. R-U-N. Run. And then what did we do? Yeah, we slid down the slide. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. And then, ooh, we just rolled. R-O-L-L. Roll. Well, this was so much fun doing these active things with you at this play place. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is ask for my name. Yeah, my name's Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. See you again. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today we're at Gravady Indoor Trampoline Park in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is gonna be fun. Hey. Come on. Wow, look at this place. There's so many trampolines here. And this place is where we're gonna do some jumping. See? This is jumping. Whoa, here I go. Do you see that? That's a big clear ball. And it looks like it's ready for me to get inside. Come here. Hello? Hey, do you see me? Whoa! And look at what it is. Whoa, yeah, this is a kangaroo. Will you act like a kangaroo with me? Ready? Kangaroos can jump really high and really far. A kangaroo can jump 4.5 times its body length. What that means is if I was a kangaroo, I would be able to jump over a double-decker bus. Wow, that's really far. Okay, let's go do some more jumping. Come on. Look at this. This? Yeah, it's like an airbag. Whoa, but it's really big. This is the same type of airbag that stunt men and stunt women use in Hollywood. That means you fall on it and it's really soft. So I think it's time for us to be a movie star. Okay, watch. Come here. Okay, in this scene, I get really scared, and then I fall on my back, because I'm the stunt devil. Ready? Did you see that? It didn't even hurt. That was awesome! I'm totally a movie star. Let's do another scene. So in this scene, I go really high in the sky and I jump out of an airplane and I land on the ground on my bottom. Whoa! All right. Hey! Here I go. Action! Ah! Whoa! That was awesome! Whoa! Now I am a movie star. Oh, look at this! Wow! It's another animal. And this animal, yeah, is a cougar. Will you act like a cougar with me? So cougars can jump really high and really far. Cougars can actually jump 10 times their body height. So that means if I was a cougar, I would be able to jump over, 3 giraffes. Wow, that is really high. Okay, let's go do some more jumping. Woohoo! Basketball. Whoa! That was a close one. That was a close one too. Better luck next time. Come on. Welcome to the dodgeball ring. This is where you and I are gonna play some dodgeball. But first, come over here. Hey, check out these balls. Okay, we have a red ball, a yellow ball, and a silver, a gray ball. I don't know what color that is. Kind of looks silver or gray. All right, go over there. Good luck. All right, here we go. Everyone's got you. Watch out. Here we Good job. You beat me, did you hit me? You got me with the balls. All right, let's go do some more jumping. This is the color red. Here we go. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! 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 That was awesome. Whoa! Hey! Look at what it is. Whoa! It's another picture of an animal. Yeah, and this animal can also jump really high. This animal, yeah, is a frog. Will you act like a frog with me? Okay, here we go.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
That is so funny. Frogs can jump really high and really far. Frogs can actually jump 20 times their body height. So that means if I was a frog, that would be like me jumping over 2 Spinosauruses. Wow, that is really high. Let's go jump some more, shall we? Looks like a rope right here. All right, here I go. Whoa! I did it! Whoa! That's awesome! Whoa! Whoa! There's even some more stuff over here. Look! Whoa! What are these things? They look like pieces of cheese, but like moldy cheese. They're black in color. All right, I'll go across them. That was a tricky one. It's a bunch of rope with these foam things inside. Looks like I need to go across. Whoa! Whee! All right. Whoa! I fell off. All right. Go on these platforms. See, these are clear. You can see through them. See? Whoa. They're very wobbly. I'm gonna get off of these. Okay. Oh, I see some more foam pits over here with trampolines in them. Let's go. and we're gonna jump on it. And this is a foam pit. Look, there's a couple colors. Here's the color red. Here's the color yellow. Ooh. Here's the color dark gray or black. I can't tell, it's kind of tricky. Okay. Ooh, the color orange. Wow. Ooh, and the last color in here. Do you know this color? What color is this? Yeah, this is the color purple. Now it's time for me to jump in it. Are you ready? Here I go. Whoa! Whoa! That was so crazy. That's fun. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this. Wow. This, isn't an animal. This is an insect. And this is a flea. Let's act like fleas together. So fleas can jump really high and really far. Fleas can actually jump 220 times their body length and 150 times their body height. Wow, that is crazy. So that means if I was a flea, I would be able to jump over 4 football fields and 1 Seattle Space Needle at the same time. Wow, that is so crazefully. All right, let's do some more jumping. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not this time. Let's go. Hello. Whoa. Okay. Oh, let's grab this. This is a pole. It's like I'm a trapeze artist. Here I go! Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Ah. Whoa! That was so much fun jumping around with you. Well, let's recap. What did we learn today? Well, we learned that kangaroos like to jump. Yeah. Cougars like to jump. Frogs like to jump. Fleas like to jump. And all of those creatures jump really high and really far. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's spell Blippi together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See you soon. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Woohoo! Today we're at the Las Vegas Mini Grand Prix. Oh, and look at these. These are go-karts. And this is a green go-kart. This is a red go-kart. And this is a blue go-kart. I am so excited! Look at these 2 go-karts! They're my 2 favorite colors. This go-kart is the color orange. And this go-kart, is the color blue. it's time for me to teach you the parts of a go-kart. Oh, hey, and look at this. Yeah, it's a go-kart. So the first thing on go-karts are all of them have 4 wheels and tires. See right here? This is a wheel and tire, and it's really small. It's so cute. So this is the first wheel and tire. This is the second wheel and tire. This right here is the third wheel and tire. Ooh. And this is the last wheel and tire. It's the fourth wheel and tire. Whoa. Ooh, and look at this. Yeah. That's the bumper guard. It's there to keep you safe, so then you don't run and drive into things like this. Whoa! All right. Whoa. Look at this back here. This is the spoiler. They put spoilers on go-karts and super fast cars because it creates some downforce and it adds about 3 million horsepower to the vehicle. Wow, that's fast. Ooh, and look down here. This is the engine of the go-kart. It has an air filter, spark plug, muffler, oil, and so many other things. Well, how the engine gets all of its power is it needs some fuel. Just like how you and I need food, the go-kart needs food too. And right here, right here is the gas tank. Whoa, I think you and I should fill it up and put in some gas in the go-kart. Let's put our safety glove on. Here we go. Wow. All right, put the spout right here. Turn it up. Whoa. Whoa. All right, I think it's nice and full now. So let's put the cap back on. Oh yeah, nice and tight. Then we turn on the on switch. Right there. Then all you have to do is pull the string. 3, 2, 1. A little harder this time. Even a little harder this time. Yeah, good job. Whoa. All right. So this right here, this is the seat of the go-kart. This is where the driver, me, you, this is where we gonna sit today. So, let's take a seat. Whoa. Yeah, I kinda like this. Okay, but first things first. When operating a go-kart, safety first. Let's put on our seatbelt. Just like we're in a vehicle, any vehicle, you should wear a seatbelt. All right, here we go. Oh, and down here, see this? This brake pedal is what you push when you want to stop. Whoa, whoa. And this pedal right here, whoa! That, is the gas pedal. That's what makes you go forward and backward. And this is the steering wheel. Whoa! This is what turns the go-kart. Here we go! Riding go-karts is so much fun! The cool thing about go-karts are there's so many different kinds, like the ones we just rode, and then also these ones. Come look! Look at this! This go-kart is so small! That's funny. Ooh, there's one up here for you and I to ride. Whoa, yeah. This green cart looks like a dandy. All right, we need to turn it on. So, you remember, you put on your glove and then give it a pull. Yeah! Whoa! The cool thing about these small go-karts are anyone that's 38 inches or above can ride. Woo! Whoa! And trust me, I'm above 38 inches. So first things first. Yeah, safety first. Gotta put on your seatbelt. Whoa, nice and tight. All right, now the gas pedal. Here we go! Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that? I just crashed. But since go-karts only go forward, you have to use this tool when you crash into something because you can't go forward anymore. See? It's like a piece of rebar with a hook on the end. Wow. Okay, check this out. Hook it under there. Give it a little pull. Wow, this is heavy. All right. Yeah! Yeah! Now we can go to drive again. Here we go. Whoa! That was really fun riding this go-kart. But I think now is the perfect time to ride the big carts. Whoa! Ooh, look at what it is. Wow, this is a big kid's go-kart. Yeah, it's so powerful. It's so powerful, it was even imported from the country of France. Ooh, and check that out down there. Yeah! This go-kart has LED headlights and go to the back. And it even has tail lights. Do you see them? And when you push on the brake, yeah, it even has working brake lights. Whoa, this go-kart is so powerful, you need to be 16 years old and have a valid driver's license. Lucky for me, I'm both. Yeah! So that means we can start it up. So let's flip on the switch and give it a pull. Whoa! It sounds like it has so much power too. So let's take a seat in the seat. And let's put on our seat belt because it has so much power. Whoa. I'm a little nervous, but it's gonna be so much fun. All right, are you ready? Here I go. Whoa! This go-kart is so fast. Learning about go-karts with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Yeah, Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make the